Stax Bill Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get bill payment apps wrong. They think they only help you pay on time. The surprising truth about Stax Bill is how it centralizes, automates, and optimizes bill management, and you won't believe how much time it can save both individuals and businesses. Here's how it works. Stax Bill connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, consolidating all recurring bills in one dashboard. You can schedule payments, set reminders, and track expenses across multiple accounts. For example, a small business owner managing utilities, subscriptions, and service invoices can automate payments and avoid late fees. Most people get this wrong. They assume bill management is manual, but Stax Bill provides real-time alerts, recurring payment automation, and reporting for budgeting purposes. Additional features include analytics for cash flow, secure data storage, and integration with accounting software for simplified bookkeeping. You can also categorize expenses to see exactly where your money is going. However, there are considerations. Some premium features, like multi-user access or advanced reporting, require paid plans. Most people assume automation removes all errors. It doesn't, but it reduces the risk of missed payments significantly. In conclusion, Stax Bill is ideal for individuals and businesses looking to streamline and automate bill payments. It combines convenience, transparency, and control into one easy-to-use platform. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of fintech and financial management tools.